I don't think people understand just how breathtaking and brutal the Arctic night truly is. For months on end, the sun vanishes, plunging the top of our planet into a world of endless night. This is the Arctic winter, a realm of profound darkness and razor-sharp cold. The land transforms into a vast white wilderness, shrouded in snow and ice, where shadows stretch forever. Temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, freezing the world into a silent sculpture of frost. It seems like a place where nothing could survive, a frozen kingdom where life itself is a daily miracle. Yet even here, in this haunting emptiness, life not only endures but thrives in astonishing ways. The challenge is immense. With no sunlight, plants vanish, and the very foundation of the food chain disappears for months. The cold is relentless, threatening to steal every ounce of warmth from any living creature. The darkness turns hunting into a game of shadows where every movement is a matter of life or death. For the animals that remain, this isn't a time for sleep, it's a season of adaptation where only the clever and resilient survive. These are the true masters of the Arctic night. Survival here takes more than a thick coat. It demands ingenuity and grit. Every creature must find food in the darkness and conserve every precious bit of energy. Over thousands of years, Arctic animals have evolved to become perfectly suited to this extreme world. Their bodies are built for the cold, their senses sharpened for the darkness, their behaviors a masterclass in survival. They move through this frozen world with a grace and resilience that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. This endless dark season is called the polar night. It happens when the Earth's tilt turns the North Pole away from the sun, plunging it into a world of perpetual twilight. But don't be fooled by the stillness. This is a season of hidden drama. Beneath the glowing curtains of the northern lights, a silent struggle for survival unfolds. Predators and prey are locked in a timeless dance, each step a fight for life. Every rustle, every scent, every shadow is part of this intricate Arctic story. This is a world that pushes life to its limits, and the animals here are its greatest champions. The polar bear is perhaps the most iconic symbol of the Arctic. It is a magnificent creature, the largest land predator on Earth, perfectly designed for a life on the frozen sea. Its survival is a tale of incredible strength and specialization. The bear's most obvious advantage is its thick coat of fur. This coat is not just white for camouflage. It consists of a dense undercoat and an outer layer of long, hollow guard hairs. These hollow hairs trap air, creating a superb layer of insulation that keeps the bear warm, both in the frigid air and in the icy water. A true marvel of natural engineering. Beneath its famous white fur, the polar bear has black skin. This dark skin is better at absorbing heat from the weak winter sun, whenever it might appear, helping the bear to stay warm. Furthermore, a thick layer of fat or blubber lies just under the skin. This can be more than 10 centimeters thick and acts like a built-in thermal suit. It provides both insulation and a vital energy reserve, allowing the bear to go for long periods without a meal. This combination of fur, skin and fat makes the polar bear a true fortress against the cold, able to withstand temperatures that would be fatal for most other mammals. Hunting in the dark, frozen world requires more than just warmth. The polar bear has an astonishingly powerful sense of smell. It is said to be one of the best in the animal kingdom. A bear can detect a seal, its primary food source, from almost 20 miles away. It can also smell a seal's breathing hole in the ice from over a kilometer away. This extraordinary ability allows it to locate prey across vast, seemingly empty expanses of sea ice, even when visibility is poor during the long polar night. It follows these scents with immense patience, a silent hunter in a silent world. When a bear finds a seal's breathing hole, it will often wait with incredible stillness, sometimes for hours or even days. When the seal comes up for air, the bear uses its immense power and lightning-fast reflexes to snatch its prey from the water. This hunting strategy, a combination of an incredible sense of smell and immense patience, is what allows the polar bear to thrive. It is a specialist, perfectly adapted to hunt on the sea ice, a true master of its frozen domain. Its survival is a testament to the power of evolution in shaping life for the most extreme places on our planet. Another remarkable survivor is the Arctic fox. This small, resourceful creature is a master of adaptation. In winter, its coat turns from brown or grey to a brilliant, pure white. This provides perfect camouflage against the snow, making it nearly invisible to both its predators like polar bears and its prey. The fox's coat is incredibly dense and warm, and even the soles of its feet are covered in fur like natural snowshoes, protecting them from the freezing ground. This beautiful fur coat is not just for show, it is a critical tool for survival in the relentless cold. The Arctic fox has an exceptional sense of hearing. This is vital for hunting during the polar night. It can hear small rodents like lemmings and voles moving about in their tunnels deep beneath the snow. The fox will stand perfectly still, its head cocked to one side, listening intently. Once it pinpoints the exact location of its prey, it performs a spectacular feat. It leaps high into the air and dives headfirst into the snow, punching through the crust to catch the unsuspecting rodent below. This unique hunting technique, called mousing, allows it to find food that is completely hidden from sight. Sharing this frozen landscape is the wolverine, a creature renowned for its strength and ferocity. Despite its relatively small size, it is incredibly powerful and fearless. The wolverine has a thick, oily coat of fur that is highly resistant to frost, which is essential for an animal that is constantly active in the cold. Its large, snowshoe-like paws allow it to travel easily across deep snow, giving it an advantage over larger animals like caribou or moose, which may struggle in the soft powder. This allows the wolverine to cover vast distances in its search for food. The wolverine is not a picky eater. It is an opportunistic hunter and scavenger. It uses its powerful jaws to crush frozen meat and bone, allowing it to eat carcasses left behind by other predators. It also has a keen sense of smell, which it uses to locate these frozen meals from far away, even when they are buried under the snow. This ability to make use of any available food source is crucial for surviving the lean winter months. The wolverine's sheer tenacity and physical power make it one of the most formidable and successful survivors of the Arctic night. The incredible survival strategies of the polar bear, the Arctic fox, and the wolverine offer us a profound window into the workings of the natural world. Each animal is a living example of evolution's power to craft solutions for the most extreme challenges on Earth. The polar bear's insulated fur and keen nose, the fox's color-changing coat and sharp hearing, and the wolverine's sheer strength and resourcefulness are not just interesting facts. They are masterpieces of natural design. They show us that life is persistent, creative, and capable of finding a way to thrive in places we might consider uninhabitable. By studying these magnificent creatures, we learn more than just biology. We learn about resilience and the delicate balance of ecosystems. The Arctic is not just a collection of individual animals. It is an interconnected web of life. The polar bear depends on the sea ice to hunt seals, and the fox depends on the lemming populations hidden beneath the snow. Understanding these relationships helps us appreciate how fragile this environment is. The survival of these animals is linked directly to the health of their habitat, a habitat that is now changing at an alarming rate. These animals are also sentinels or indicators of the health of our planet. The challenges they face today, particularly with the warming climate and melting sea ice, are a warning for all of us. The polar bear's struggle for survival on a shrinking platform of ice is a powerful and visible symbol of global environmental change. By paying attention to their stories, we can gain a deeper understanding of the impact our own actions have on the far corners of the world. Their fate is a reflection of our own responsibility to protect the natural world. Ultimately, the wildlife of the Arctic night fills us with a sense of wonder. These animals remind us that our planet is home to an astonishing diversity of life, full of creatures with abilities and survival skills that can seem almost magical. They are a testament to the beauty and complexity of nature. To witness the Arctic fox diving into the snow or the polar bear navigating its icy kingdom is to witness life at its most tenacious and inspiring. Their continued existence enriches our world, and it is our privilege and duty to ensure they can continue to thrive for generations to come.